Want to stream NFL Sunday Ticket on public Wi-Fi without interruptions? Here's how to do it. First, connect your device, whether it's phone, tablet, or laptop, to public Wi-Fi network. Open the browser if a login page pops up and complete the sign-in before launching the NFL Sunday Ticket app. Next, open the app and sign into your account. Now you can start streaming. If the Wi-Fi is unstable or slow, lower the video quality in the app setting to reduce buffering. For extra security, you can run a VPN in the background. If you do not have a VPN, head over to Play Store or App Store and search for any reliable VPN. Then install this. Now connect to a secure server. Public Wi-Fi is not always safe, and VPN helps protect your login info while keeping your connection steady. If the Wi-Fi blocks streaming apps, switch to your mobile hotspot or bring a travel router. Many fans use these as backup on hotel or airport Wi-Fi. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.